Welcome back to another robot mowing video. It has taken me all summer to try to figure out how I want these robots positioned. I've got 3 of them now. So I have the Yuka in the front yard, but I'm not wild about where it's at, and I do believe I'm going to move it. Also, the wife is not happy about the cable. You can see it's come off the house there, but it runs down through here, plugs into the wall there. She doesn't like that. So the plan is to move it over here. Probably move it to there. Now, that way is south, so it should be able to connect to the satellites from over here. I have my golf club parking mat, so I'm going to put that down and then I'm going to move it. So if you're one of those that parks your robot in the grass, I highly recommend one of these golf cart parking mats. They're rubber on the back, you can put bolts through them really easy, and they're not too bad to cut. So I'm probably going to cut this one off, but it works great for the mower. And the mower doesn't tear up your grass. Of course, you know, it kills the grass underneath, but the mower doesn't tear up the ground and doesn't create tracks. I've got one of these on every mower now. Alright, I don't know if you can hear me because of the AC, but this mat, I don't have enough screws right now to hold it in place. What I'm going to do is I'm going to position it where I want it. I'm going to use that to hold it down, and then I'll just put 2 at the corners after I cut the mat. So you want it to come up the sides. That ought to be pretty good. Obviously, you want it nice and level, otherwise the mower won't come up on it. Ground seems unsturdy there. There we go. Let's try that. Alright. Right now we just plug it in. This is a little cattywampus, isn't it? It's a little crooked. Okay, might need to fix that. I'm using these to hold it in place. Okay, yeah, it was just missing a bolt on that side, so it should be fine there. Should be, right? So I guess the question is, what's it look like from the front yard? It's not as bad as the trench that the fiber company cut. And then what's it look like from the street? Once again, not as bad as the fiber company work. Okay, back from a trip to Home Depot. Got some more of those, and then you have to have washers. Cool. Alright, so you want to work this like carpet, try to get the wrinkles out of it. Probably be easier without the mower. You actually want to get it as close to the edge as possible. Those are not. All right, I believe that's it. See, this one's been installed since last year, and you can see the grass starts filling it in. Well, if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.